In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Vanish mode on Instagram. With your Instagram Vanish mode, you'll be able to send content or messages, photos, and videos on Instagram that's going to disappear just after the thread. So if you're having a conversation, like a sensitive conversation, and you want to destroy the message instantly after you exit the conversation, you can just turn on the Vanish mode on your Instagram account. So if after this video you found this video helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to turn Vanish mode on and off on Instagram, all you need to do is open the Instagram application on your phone or iPhone and click on this messaging icon here, then locate the chart where you want to enable Vanish mode. So let's say this particular chart, then this is the normal chart. All you need to do to enable Vanish mode is just swipe up just like this. You can see, please to release to turn on Vanish mode. So Vanish mode is enabled, then swipe up again, swipe up to turn off Vanish mode. So this is how to turn on and turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. Mark you, when you want to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram, make sure to turn this off and the circle is complete. So once you see the red indication, then let's go this. The Vanish mode we enabled. Again, if you swipe up again, make sure the cycle is complete. And then swipe to turn on Vanish mode. You see, it will turn to red. And once that turns red, let it go to turn on Vanish mode on Instagram. So this is how to turn on and turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. If you find this helpful and educative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.